Superior came to New Orleans in 2013, and since that time, we have been serving both the East Bank and West Bank of the greater New Orleans area.
One of the biggest situations that we come across when somebody is involved in a life-changing situation, such as becoming disabled, is how am I going to continue my life? You know, now that I'm in a chair, how am I going to get to work every day?
It really starts with the first introduction to that person. I mean, we really consider that person to be a part of our small community, our team, our family. We take on each customer one at a time and really go through Mobility 101, starting from the very beginning, finding out what their needs are, what the mobility van needs to be able to do.
The process of working with Superior was excellent. I mean, they're really like my extended family almost. I mean, they are very good at knowing what will work, what might work, what options are available, and they're also very big on making sure everything is safe.
When we came here for the first time and we saw Team Gleason stuff on the wall and people realized who he was and just bought into the team, it is a tremendous, we feel like they are part of the Gleason family. And for these people with ALS to be able to get where they need to be, it needs to be a total accessible van and mode of transportation, and we found that in Superior, and it's literally been a life changer for so many.
It means a lot to our community, and that's evidenced by the reaction of our customers who make a purchase with us and really begin to understand what freedom mobility brings.
It's very convenient. I can parallel park in the city without any difficulties. My ramp goes right out onto curbs, goes out onto slanted ground. It's very accessible and very convenient.
The automation, the simplicity of it, the ramp comes out automatically, the doors open automatically, so we can concentrate on the patient, which is very, very big.
We have anywhere from 20 to 25 vehicles on the lot in Harvey at any time. We do offer rentals that go anywhere from 4 hours up to a monthly rate. As a company, we are now 11 locations, which gives us a little over 300 vehicles at any time that we have direct access to.
What I really like about Superior is not only their availability of different products they have, but what's unique about them, I like, is I have a very close relationship with their installers and their mechanics. So therefore, if I got a particular technical question, when I call up, I just ask to speak to Scott.
We have an in-house specialist for our lifts that knows Bruno products front and back, so she can find that right fit for the customer. And we also have an in-house finance department, which has been building relationships with credit unions and banks all across the country to try to help our customers with their financing needs.
And we're also happy to provide, on most of the vehicles that we have here, a lifetime powertrain warranty on even some of our used vehicles.
Top of the line vans, wonderful service, but the people that help you here at Superior make it head and shoulders above any process that we've dealt with.
And quite honestly, I mean, what better feeling can you go home with at the end of the day helping somebody achieve mobility?